We are at the Nou Camp, the stately home of the champions of Spain, the champions of Europe, indeed now the club champions of the world, Barcelona, who claim they have the best player in the world, and that was him.
That's what I'm saying though, Peter. You know, they're not holding back Stuttgart. They get a chance to break. They are committing numbers.
It's a good game. Here's Messi. Messi! Who is the best player in the world? Stunning! Just stunning! How much longer can this guy keep improving? Another picture postcard goal from Lionel Messi. Simply a joy to behold.
He is, I mean, 31st of the season now, and mounting all the time. But it's not just the amount of goals